Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox a keyboard that is from ABKO Hacker K2000. So let's see, this actually came from Kupang. I'm in Korea, so this is a Korean product I think. I ordered in Kupang and it came like this package. So I think it's good. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, nice. This is the keyboard. This is the model K2000. I actually saw this keyboard in my lab. One was using this. Is a mechanical keyboard, and after watching the design, I wanted to buy this one. It's a mechanical keyboard, quick swap switch, PB traditional, PBT edition. You can see here the details. I don't know what is written in the Korean, like PBT keycap, step, sculpture, rainbow LED light. I ordered a black one. I don't know which came. Maybe hopefully black. There is two color of this. One is black and one is white. So let's see. Okay. First, I want to show you guys how it comes. Oh, whoa, 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 what a beauty. See, there's a good cover on it. Wow, really, it's good. Whoa. You can see the ash keyboard and some dark ash and light ash, two color. Whoa, it's gorgeous, very good. Wow. It has the grips for the putting on the table. Let's see, this also has grips. I'll put it like here. Good, really good. You can see the cable here. It's USB. You can see the USB port now. So this is my keyboard. I'm going to use it. I hope it will be good in performance. The sound seems little bit more, but I haven't I do not have any experience with mechanical keyboard, so that's why maybe it looks like much soundy for me. And some other stuff in the box. You can see here you have a, this is what they call key remover or something. Yeah, and a good brush. Okay. Clean. I haven't seen any brush before for cleaning keyboards. Ah, good. Ta-da! It's very ordinary. Maybe there's something. Oh. Oh. Okay, looks good. So shall I check with any of it how to do this thing? I don't know. I haven't done this before. If something happens, I think this one will work. It's blue. Yeah. Okay. I think blue is going to be sound more. So the suspension is blue color. You can see the sound. I think it's a little more louder than other ones. I don't know. Let's see. I think I will enjoy. This is mechanical keyboard. I'm going to use it for gaming and typing both. So the keyboard price was around 31,000 won. That is in dollar around $30. So and I ordered in online. So it came by 3 days, 2 to 3 days from Seoul maybe. And yeah, you can see the logo here. Hacker ABKO group, ABKO company. So I think it will be better. One Korean guy in our lab bought it. He wore the white and pink color one, but I don't like the pink one. It look like girly to me. Okay, so I like the black one. I hope it will be good in performance as it looks like. I can wait to start typing in it. It has a very good feeling when you type it. And the wire looks good, like type of so overall I think it's okay. I'm going to use it in my laptop. You can see here Hacker K2000. Wow, very good. Okay guys, I actually forgot to show you one more interesting thing. So I will show you now. When I'm plugging in, you can see the lighting. I'm switching off the light so you can see it clearly. It's good. And you can change the decoration, the lighting sequence here, like with the FN and ins key. INS. So now it's like this. Again, if I press, it's coming like this and it's blinking. Again, FN and ins, you can see some variation. If you put FN1, FN1, FN2, FN3, FN4, FN5, so different keyboard key is pressing. These are all our gaming mode, different gaming mode. So F9 it will close, and again F page up it will be all lightning. And again if I go onwards with FN ins, you can see how many different lightning it has. Whoa, this is also good, but I think this one is going to be the best one. Ha 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 ha. It's like a snake moving on the keyboard. See, nice, isn't it? Yeah, I know this feature all the keyboard has, but I didn't see this one before, so it's interesting to me. That's good. So these are all about the lightning performance of the keyboard. With FN down, you can dim the light, like so. This is all it. So thank you guys, and subscribe my channel, give the thumbs up. See you next time.